Good morning, students. So today class 10 video number general math video number 55 exercise 8.3 question number 2 show that number 1 tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into in middle there is into tan 48 degree into tan 67 degree equal to 1. You have to show this one. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we are considering left hand side tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. So there we have to apply quadrant rules. But how you know you have to apply quadrant rules? तुम्हें कैसे पता चलेगा कि तुम्हें इसमें क्वाड्रेंट रूल्स अप्लाई करना है? कैसे पता चलेगा किसके बीच में अप्लाई करना है? तो हम लोग चेक करेंगे क्या, जैसे कि 48 डिग्री एंड दिस वन 42, 48 plus 42 what 90 and 23 plus 67 90. That means their addition value, if it is 90 or multiple of 90, multiple of 90 means 92 is a 180, 93 is a 270, 94 is a 360, like that. If their addition value, both angle addition value is 90 or multiple of 90, then yes, you have to apply quadrant rules. Okay? So 48 plus 42, 90. So between any one, either you break this one in quadrant rules wise or you break this one in quadrant rules wise. But here you see 48 plus 23 is not 90. So between these two you cannot apply quadrant rules. You have to apply between these two. Okay? Any one you have to break. Next one, see 23 plus 67 equal to 90. Is not it? So between any one, either you break this one or you break this one by quadrant rules. So we are going to break 42 and 67, and these two keep remain same. Clear? Next step you see 90 minus 48 equal to 42, because 42 plus 48 equal to 90. So 90 minus 48 equal to 40. 90 minus 23 equal to 67. Clear? Next step, tan. Quadrant rules now you see. 1 into 90. 1 into 90. So 1 is odd number. So need to change the ratio. Need to change the ratio. If here suppose this one is suppose 180 degree. So 2 into 90, 2 is even. Even, then no need to change the ratio. So this one is odd. 1 into 90, 1 is odd. So tan change into cot. Clear? 90 minus theta. Theta is what here? 48 degree. And that theta value is equiangle. So 90 minus theta, it is under which quadrant? This one is 90 degree, anti-clockwise positive angle. And this one is minus 48 degree. It is under which quadrant? First quadrant. So this one is positive angle, this one negative. Positive हुआ anti-clockwise 90 degree and minus 48. That means clockwise. First of all anti-clockwise 90 degree, then clockwise minus 48 degree. Then remaining portion is this, and it is represented by 90 degree minus 48 degree. This portion is represented by. Then this one is under first quadrant. So according to quadrant rules, first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios are positive. So first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios are positive, so positive. And one odd number, so tan change into cot. Tan change into cot. Tan change into cot. Okay? So cot 48 degree. Cot 48 degree. Then next one, see 1 into 90. 1 into 90. 1 is odd, tan change into cot. Okay, it is also under first quadrant. 90 minus theta, first quadrant, all trigonometric ratio positive. So tan change into cot, cot 23 degree. So in the last video already I had given that explanation of the quadrant rules. Just you see in the video you see continue. Okay, next one, see tan 48 into tan 23 degree into cot 48 into cot 23. Now there is one formula. tan theta equal to cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. This formula we have to apply. So cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan 23, tan 23 cancel. Tan 48, tan 48 cancel. Then remain there only 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 by 1, 1. 1 by 1, 1. All 1 you multiply, then you will get answer 1. Is not it? Next one, see. If tan twice a equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where twice a is an equiangle. If it is equiangle, that means it is under first quadrant. Obtuse angle more than 90, less than 180, it is under second quadrant. Reflex angle, either it is under third quadrant or it is under fourth quadrant. You try to remember these things. So this one is equiangle. So that twice a we have to break as first quadrant wise. That's why written tan twice a equal to cot a minus 18 degree. So tan twice a in reverse order you just break cot 1 into 90 minus twice a. 90 minus twice a is representing first quadrant. Okay, so 1 into 90, 1 is odd, cot changing to tan, theta is twice a. Equal to cot a minus 18, cot, same trigonometric function. If you want, then we can apply same trigonometric function on both sides. If we want, then we can withdraw the function from both sides. So 90 minus twice a equal to a minus 18 degree. Next one, see, just we have withdraw the function from both sides, then getting 90 minus twice a equal to a minus 18 degree. Then by shifting, so twice a you shift to right side, then a plus twice a. Already you know shifting process. And 18 you shift to left side, then it is negative. If you shift to left side, then it will be positive. 90 plus 18 equal to 108 degree. Then equal to a plus twice a equal to thrice a. Then 3a, 3 into a. It is the product of the factors of 108 degree. So these two are the factor of 108 degree. So any factor if you shift to in another side, then it will divide the value of another side. That means it is the multiple, and this multiple will be divisible by 3 because 3 into a, these two are the factor of this multiple 108. So if you shift 3 to left side, then it will divide 108. Cut, you will get 36 degree. It will be the value of a. That's all.